guys doing? Decided to make a quick video. The birds are getting cleaned out this weekend. I think there was a nice little storm here this weekend. It just passed, so didn't have a chance to get out here. These guys are on eggs. Something spooked these guys and they got off their eggs. And she just got off her egg, I guess today. It was found on the floor, so had to toss that. And these guys also got off on their eggs. They're all cold, so I threw them away. So, but season's early, so we'll keep going. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.